Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to enable Developer Mode Android to unlock advanced features on your smartphone. This hidden menu gives you more control over your device settings and performance, so now let's get started. For step 1, you need to open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer to begin the configuration process. This menu is the main control center for your entire device, and it is where you can make changes to how your Android system operates. In step 2, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list and click on the section labeled About Device or My Phone. This area contains all the technical details about your hardware and software, making it the essential place to find your system's version information. For step 3, you must find the build number entry and click on it exactly 7 times in quick succession. This is a secret shortcut used by Android to confirm that you want to become a developer, and it will often prompt you for your passcode to verify the change. In step 4, you need to go back to the main settings menu and click on the system option to find your newly unlocked tools. This category manages the core functions of your phone, and it is where the developer settings are safely stored once they have been activated. For step 5, you can now find the developer option listed in the menu, and you should click it to ensure the toggle at the top is turned on. This allows you to access powerful debugging and performance settings that are usually hidden from the standard user interface. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful Android tips.